Students, today I am going to discuss the topic ordering and comparing unlike fractions. What do you mean by unlike fractions? Fractions having different denominators called as unlike fraction. Now I am going to discuss comparison of unlike fraction but with the same numerator. When the numerator is same, we compare the denominators only. Greater the denominator, smaller the fraction. For example, here you can see I have taken two fractions, 2 by 7 and 2 by 5. Now they are unlike fractions but with the same numerator. Since the numerator is same, we compare the denominators only. And what are the denominators here? 7 and 5. In 7 and 5, 7 is bigger than 5. Hence, fraction with the bigger denominator will be smaller. Therefore, 2 by 7 is smaller than 2 by 5. Now let us discuss the checkpoint given in your textbook on page number 99. Compare the fraction and put greater than, less than or equal to symbol. See the first one. Let us compare the fraction 4 by 7 and 4 by 5. Which kind of fractions they are? Yes, they are unlike fraction with the same numerator. Since the numerator is same, we compare the denominators. And the denominators are 7 and 5. 7 is bigger than 5. Hence, fraction with the bigger denominator will be smaller. Therefore, 4 by 7 will be smaller than 4 by 5. Now coming to the second, let us compare the fractions 3 by 8 and 3 by 4. Again, they are unlike fraction with the same numerator. So we compare the denominators. Now denominators are 8 and 4. 8 is bigger than 4, right? Hence, fraction with the bigger denominator will be smaller. Therefore, 3 by 8 will be smaller than 3 by 4. Now coming to the third one. Let us compare the fractions 7 by 8 and 3 by 4. Now which kind of fractions they are? Yes, they are unlike fractions. But now they are having different numerator as well. When the numerator and denominator both are different, we always cross multiply to compare. So let us cross multiply. First we multiply 7 and 4. 7 4s are 28. Then we multiply 3 and 8. 3 8s are 24. In 28 and 24, 28 is bigger. Means your left hand side is bigger than your right hand side. Right? Hence, fraction given on the left hand side will be bigger than fraction given on the right hand side. Means 7 by 8 is bigger than 3 by 4. Now coming to the last. Let us compare the fractions 5 by 4 and 2 by 3. Again they are unlike fraction with the different numerators. So let us cross multiply. First we multiply 5 and 3. 5 3s are 15. Then we multiply 2 and 4. 2 4s are 8. Here 15 is bigger than 8. Right? It means 5 by 4 will be bigger than 2 by 3. Now coming to the question number B, arrange the following in descending order. The fractions are 3 by 8, 3 by 5, 3 by 2 and 3 by 6. Here all the fractions are unlike fractions with the same numerator. And we are asked to arrange them in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. Fraction will be greater when the denominator is smaller. Here the denominator 2 is smaller among all the denominators. Hence you can see that I have written first the fraction 3 by 2, then the fraction 3 by 5, then 3 by 6 and then 3 by 8. So this is the descending order of the given fractions. Now let's see one more example. Here the fractions are given 1 by 4, 1 by 7, 1 by 2 and 1 by 9. Again all are unlike fractions with the same numerator. And we are asked to arrange them in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. So first of all, we have to write down the greater fraction. And fraction will be greater when the denominator is smaller. Hence, first 1 by 2 will come, then 1 by 4, then 1 by 7 and at the last 1 by 9. So this is the descending order of the given fractions. In this way you can arrange the unlike fractions in descending order